Here they go, the 2023 Royal Air Force Falcons Parachute Display Team. So they immediately deploy their canopies and you can see the smoke trailing from them. And remember what I said, we're looking for 6 initially and then 3 on the flags. And they're going to go into one of our signature moves, which is the carousel. This one, although you're looking straight into the sun, unfortunately, this is a very dramatic and dynamic manoeuvre. Very, very hard to do under a parachute given the wind conditions. I'm going to try and link you up with the team now and see if you can hear the instructions as they're working.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Hey, good enough to 14 knots on the surface.
Okay, I'm going to keep going right, gents. I'm going to go to left-handed pattern. Really bumpy. I'll be on the carousel.
It's just my car.
So as you can hear, they are working extremely hard with the wind conditions, so they're out of the carousel and they're now going to get themselves ready to line up. The smoke is lit on the drop zone, ready to receive the parachutists, and in about 10 seconds they'll be at a height where they can hear you, so please, Shuttleworth, Old Warden, do give a huge cheer and round of applause for the guys. It really encourages them. So as they come down, I'm going to give them all a name check. So again, please give me a round of applause and a cheer. That's number 1, Falcon 1 is Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons. Falcon 2 is Sergeant Paddy Gilwar. Falcon 3 is Sergeant Andy Lynch. Falcon 4, Sergeant Owen Collins. Falcon 5, Sergeant Greg Ashleby, and Falcon 6, Sergeant Doug McCall. And don't forget, we've still got our 3 flag flyers up in the sky, led by both the RAF Falcons, Flight Lieutenant Mike Reeve, who I know has got his family here today, Sergeant Gabe Coleman Moffat, and Corporal Joe Finch. Very tricky conditions today, but they're making it look as easy as ever. And the last man down, flying the Union flag. And a big wave to our Dornier crew as they fly over before they return back to Bryce Norton. So the salute, for those of you who can see down the front of the airfield today, Commanding Flight Lieutenant Mike Reeve, who will present the Royal Air Force Falcons to our guests. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the display complete. So once again, please put your hands together and a big cheer for the Royal Air Force Falcons.